Have you ever watched price move perfectly from one level to another and wondered who's behind it? It almost feels like someone knows exactly where the market will turn. That's not a coincidence. It's the footprint of smart money. And the key to seeing it is understanding something called order blocks. In today's video, I'll show you what order block really is, how smart money uses them, and how you can trade them like a professional. Stay till the end because I'll also share one of our TradeX tools that automatically finds the best order blocks for you on MetaTrader 5. When I first started trading, I used every strategy I could find. Indicators, moving averages, breakouts, you name it. But most of the time I'd get stopped out right before price moved in my direction. I felt like the market was hunting my trades. One night I decided to study institutional price behavior. I started noticing patterns. Strong moves always began from certain candles that kept repeating. Those candles were order blocks, the exact zones where smart money had placed their orders. Once I learned to read them, everything started making sense. So let's break down what they really are and how you can use them too. An order block is simply the last bullish candle before a strong bearish move, or the last bearish candle before a bullish move. It's the area where institutions enter large positions. Because they can't fill millions of dollars at once, they create these zones, and when the price revisits them later, it often reacts perfectly. Order blocks show where the big money is positioned. They act as the market's true support and resistance zones. When the price revisits an order block, it's often because institutions are re-entering or completing unfilled orders. It's often because institutions. That's why these zones create some of the clearest reversals you will ever see. Here's how to find them step by step. First, spot a strong impulsive move, a big candle with momentum. Second, track back to the last opposite candle before that move. Third, mark the range from its open to close or from high to low, and that's your order block. Wait for price to return. Look for confirmation such as BOS or CHoCH near the zone. When the price taps the block and rejects with force, that's your setup. A bullish order block forms at the end of down move. It later acts as a support. A bearish order block forms at the end of an up move. It later acts as a resistance. But context is everything. A bullish OB inside a bearish trend is weak. Always read the bigger structure first. Some order blocks hold the market perfectly. Others fail instantly. Here's what separates strong ones from the weak ones. First, strong displacement candle. After the OB, there is a clear momentum and volume. Second, trend alignment with a higher time frame structure. Third, liquidity sweep right before formation. Fair value gap confluence nearby. Fifth, multi-time frame confirmation. Higher time frame OB with lower time frame entry. Combine these filters and you will find the high probability setup. Now let's build a simple and profitable strategy with order blocks. First, determine bias. Check 4-hour or daily structure to decide bullish or bearish. Second, mark the OB. Find the last opposite candle before a strong impulse. Third, wait for liquidity sweep. Price should take out equal highs or lows. Number 4, look for a CHoCH or BOS near the OB plus a rejection wick. Number 5. Entry and targets. Entry on confirmation. Stop should be below or above the order block in different trends. First target is the nearest liquidity. Second target or third target can be 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 RR. If you don't know what is the risk reward, you can see the above video. Follow these steps patiently. You will only need a few quality trades each week. To make this process faster, we created the TradeX Order Block Support and Resistance project for MetaTrader 5. It automatically detects bullish and bearish order blocks and support and resistance zones and sends an alert when price re-enters them. So instead of drawing boxes all day, you can focus on execution and risk management. We have lots of other tools for MetaTrader 5, which you can find them on our sellers page on mql5.com website. You can find the link from the first line of description and the first pinned comment. Order blocks aren't magic. They are just how smart money leaves footprint. Learn to read those footprints, combine them with the structure and liquidity, and you will trade with confidence. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe to TradeX, and check the link below to try our free demo indicators. Remember, at TradeX, we think smart and trade fast.